We continue to track areas of thunderstorms developing. First of all, we've got the showers and storms off to the northwest. The one in northern Washington County has a lot of structure to it, but it's up kind of aloft, up off of the ground too far for it to strengthen much more because there's much cooler air in the northwestern counties. This is the area of concern down to the south over areas around Wichita. Notice all of these storms have just been popping up very recently, and this was the activity that we've been kind of anticipating. All of this forming in the last 15 to 20 minutes in the Wichita vicinity. That'll start to move northeast, and that's what we've got a concern for later on this evening for some severe weather. Although it's not out of the question, the northwestern counties could see a few of these storms strengthen. Right now, here's a cell that's been in southern Clay County, came in out of Ottawa County. It just has not been strengthening, holding right at that level. It's not weakening, it's just not gaining additional strength at this point. Moving to Leonardville by 5:44 and Randolph by 6, but it is moving over areas that are still very wet from yesterday's rain. Here's a look at future track, really ramping the activity up, and I think to some degree overdoing the heavy, widespread nature, but just kind of get the big picture of what's going to happen. There'll be a lot of enhancement south and northwest, and that converges over the area, but by 10:30, most of it off to the east. And then another round should develop late in the night, early tomorrow morning, with additional rounds of showers and thunderstorms. And that's why we have not only the severe thunderstorm watch, but central and north, the flash flood watch, as we mentioned as well. Looking out in Junction City, the clouds building back up again with some nearby scattered showers and thunderstorms, although it became partly cloudy for a while in Topeka, and with that, the temperatures finally jumped. It was much later in the day before we finally saw that warmth hit, but 88 right now with a heat index of 93 degrees, east-southeast winds at 7. There is quite the contrast of temperatures from 66 at Concordia to 90 on the south side of Topeka and 89 at Emporia. And you can see with a heat index, it really shows up from 60s to 90s across the region. And that front that is draped right over the region is going to be really the firing line for a few storms, but really the separation between where there's potential for strong to severe storm development and where showers and storms will likely stay less than severe in the cooler air. You can really see the larger picture shows all of this cool air back behind this front, all the heat down to the south. This front is moving southward, and so we'll see a break in the heat for tomorrow. And in the process of that, showers and storms developing to the southwest, still moving over the northwestern counties as well. And if we broaden this out, that will not stop happening. Rounds of these showers and storms every 24 hours. We'll get a round sometime during that window of time. As long as we have this unsettled weather out over the west, it continues to send energy, waves of it out over the plains. What does that mean for us? Rounds of showers and thunderstorms. We see a few breaks. Here comes another one late in the day tomorrow. And then as we head through Thursday night and Friday morning, here comes another round of showers and storms. And so just every 8 to 12 hours, we get a round of showers and storms developing, and that'll carry over into the weekend. Tonight, we'll have a muggy night. That actually should say 66 for the low, with those isolated to widespread showers and storms during the first part of the night. They'll be isolated at first and then kind of group up together. We'll drop down into the upper 60s with a high of 79 tomorrow. 60% chance for showers and thunderstorms on your Thursday and again on Friday. In rounds, not all day rains, but with that cooler air in place, we should be in the upper 70s to around 80. And then that front lifts back to the north. The storm chances will still be around, but maybe not as widespread over the weekend. There'll be definitely dry periods of time, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with about a 40% chance for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Don't forget, you can always keep up with all these rapidly changing weather conditions on channel 49.4, our 24/7 Weather Now channel. And you know, they say red sky in the morning, sailor take warning. There's a look down the Kansas River from this morning. A little red in the sky there from Doug Mark.
Never heard of that one.
I hadn't either.
I will tell you, though, I was at the car wash the other day, and the new weather channel that we have running again, one fellow there commented on it to me, and he said, we're very excited to have that back.
Yeah, we're glad to be able to provide it.
Thanks,
Absolutely.
Matt.